Hi everyone, who has the aim for pilot to become a pilot and many more like doctor, driver like that? If anybody has it, they might get their job. So, hi everyone, my name is Rafael Jonathan. I'm a student of English Care. So, it was a fatal landing in Air India Express 812. In Mangalore, the flight's out of control, using brakes, thrust, and everything. In the other side, there's a 200 meter of cliff. Do you think that the flight will give a tragic accident? Let's find out. So, it was a day in Mangalore. A flight was there, which was delivered in January 2008. It happened in 2010, so it was a way back before. So in that area, a captain from Serbia who was sleeping called by his professor saying that we have a flight, Air India Express 812. There we don't have any captains or first officer. I'm picking Harbinder Singh, and his name is Glushi. So he said, "Okay, I'll do it." And straight to the airport. In 1 a.m. the flight took it to Dubai and came at 6 a.m. In that travel, the captain has a small itty bitty sleeps because the time in Serbia is on GMT +2. So he got started that sleepy effect. He went back like this and pew, 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 pew. The first officer, Harbinder Singh, had one job, but it's when the captain sleeps, he has two jobs. The first officer got angry, like that. So both of his job is like that. The captain's job is to land it in Mangalore airport, and the first officer's job is to monitor the area. So when they reached another time Dubai and coming to Mangalore, so at 5 a.m. the captain woke up and still saying that I'm very sleepy. So in that time, the captain in 3 a.m. he was still sleeping. After 5 he woke up because of the first officer's alarm. He was saying that, "Captain, wake up, it's time." So he woke up and started driving, but captain got still yawning. Like every rush time you'll get a sleepy effect of not going to school. I know when you go to school like that. So in that time the flight has a normal effect, a smooth going. And what happened next is the radar's connection lost, or sometimes it will be like disconnected or lost like that. So what did he do next is they don't have idea which way they're going. Without the radar, they don't know where's Mangalore airport. And the one thing is the dangerous is it was a tabletop airport, so with one runway, and the other side it was a 200 meter cliff. So they got the message from the ATC tower saying that you can land it with a DMC. Here's how a DMC works. So if this is the runway and the flight is going on this way, it only runs by straight, but this one would give a round and get around and going out back, or like this. And the captain didn't even listen to him. And the first officer said, "We need to turn around. There's no choice." He didn't even listen. He landed with the half runway off. So in this area, that was the cliff. He braked. Nothing even happened. The altitude was like over the meter. So they have to go on 15 first and 20 and 1 and boom, like that. But they didn't have that choice. Half of the runway was gone. They used different things, but the flight was very fast, like this. Like that. They used started brakes and reverse. Using that didn't even work on that area. And the captain just took full speed and going that area. In that full speed, the flight didn't even manage to go up fly. When he was going, he used extra thrust, so it didn't even work on that time. And when it already went out of the runway, hit in the right side, the antenna hit, and it fly out of the border, falling in the 200 meters, and went a weird landing and damn. Flight got crashed, engine busting, fuel busting, people's there like that, and the pilots both died in that area. Flight came like a fish port, and smoke started to pollute in the air. They have to call firefighters for that, and it was the end of Air India Express 812. It was actually a Boeing 737. Thanks for hearing my tragic accident 818. Bye everybody.